check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. BMW has been at the forefront of absolutely exquisite cars, but only those that are true BMW diehards will know of the iconic BMW 507. This is a limited run product, so hurry. We don't have regular deliveries of this incredible ride-on. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. Padded leather style seats. The spray painted finish is like no other car on the market. The separate light switch allows the lights to be switched on or off at will. The transport handle allows you to easily move the ride-on from place to place. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.